Hi everyone, this is Andrea. Today we are going to practice a meditation using mindfulness and breath and sound. So either lay down or sit up as tall as you can. And I want you to either focus in on the natural sounds, and it could be coming from the waterfall in the background. Or maybe there's something special in your house that you tune into. Or focus in on your breathing. And it's perfect just the way it is. You've probably heard me say that before. So no need to change it. Just become aware of it. So we have two things that we can focus on, either sound or breath. Or maybe an open awareness to both. And if a thought pops in your mind, and it probably will, just come back to either breath or sound. And what we do with this practice is we're hoping that it's helping us to become more aware, more mindful, and more focused. Isn't that what we want for everyone? I know it's what I want for myself, what I want for my own daughters, and what I'd love to have my students be able to do, to become less distracted. So for the next couple of minutes, we're going to practice this together. When you hear the bells ring, I will bring you back.